You're gonna get that guy's gas mask. We're gonna ambush these hicks and save Ash.
That mask?
Well, yeah, it's the only one around.
Do you really think I need one?
In order for this plan to work, yeah, because you need to be in disguise. Look, I'll clean the blood off with my shirt, okay?
Yeah, no, I got this. I got this. Hey. He gone.
All right, just pull it off. Come on.
Look, it's a process, okay? I'm getting there. Jeez, you know, I've been through a lot. Don't shoot me, please!
It's not my fault!
Whose fault is it?
The gun's fault! These things are dangerous! Ha!
Shit!
Pablo! You're good to grab that mask now.